Today I'm going to show you how to use this grommet kit that I bought from Harbor Freight. And this is really handy because you can do custom projects with tarps, or you can repair tarps or something like that. So what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to be making a custom project. So I'll just show you the basics. So here's how it works. You have two parts to a grommet. You have the one on top and then the washer. And then it goes like this, and then you rivet this metal part onto the other part right here. And so we have everything that we need to make our grommets. First thing you have is you need a hole. And so this is the hole punching tool. And then this is the bottom part that holds this lower section like this. And then here is the riveting tool. And this will bend the excess metal part over like that. And you see that's tapered. Do you see how that's like wider on the bottom than it is in the top? And so that will peel that metal over and make a permanent heavy-duty grommet. And it's amazing that you can get all of this for about $5. What a deal. So let me show you how it works. So I got a block of wood here, and here is my tarp. So the first thing we do is we need a hole. And so what I'm going to do is just put that down there and just drive it through. Okay, there's our hole. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you take this part right here, and then you put this through like this. Now there are two sides to this. So you see we've got the ridges and whatnot, and then the smooth part. The smooth part goes on top like this. Now you put the riveting tool in, and then you just drive this down. And so just like that, you've got a nice grommet anywhere that you want. And this is incredibly handy, and this is quite a deal for $5. And so I'm very happy with it. Very simple to use, and it's a pretty good product.